taking over, dance with Lizzie in the whole damn room. Well, I sure like to go say do with Lizzie in the dance.
Here we go, get ready.
Wave your hands and shout, get high with the kiss and grab it to the left.
I think you guys can do that one now. Here we go. Get ready for it next time.
Greatest kiss around the West. Helping Sid to fetch the prize, and she's our favorite
Now
gal.
we're having a look.
Looking at the boys and gals, yes, she's a real big pal.
I may be cute, I may be kind, my friends call me Lizzie.
But are you doing something wrong? Ends up feeling dizzy. Oh, don't mess with our Lizzie. Bum, bum, bum. Get a guess with Lizzie taking over, dance with Lizzie in the whole damn room. Well, I sure like to go say do with Lizzie.
Here we go, are you ready?
Wave your hands and shout, yeehaw, with the kiss and grab it to the
Very good.
Yes, it is. Hold and prove you'll be the greatest kiss in the West.
Here we go, riding your horses.
Pretty is she?
L-I-Z-Z-I-E Lizzie.
She's the gal that keeps me on my toes.
Here we go, lasso.
Rarest lizard she'll always be.
L-I-Z-Z-I-E Lizzie.
She's a perfect kisser, heaven knows.
Here we go again.
Get a kiss with Lizzie taking over, dance with Lizzie in the whole damn room. Well, I sure like to go say do with Lizzie in the dance.
Are you ready?
Wave your hands and shout, yeehaw, with a kiss and grab it to the left.
Brilliant.
This is hold and groove, you'll be the greatest kisser in the West.
All right then, Lizzie, which instrument would you like to play first?
Guitar.
All right, here we go. Now your bugle. Not sure what instrument that is, but never mind. Here we go. Riding your horses. And your lasso. And now catch Lizzie's kisses.
Get a kiss with Lizzie taking over, dance with Lizzie in the whole damn room. But I sure like to go say do with Lizzie in the dance.
Are you ready?
Wave your hands and shout, yeehaw, with a kiss and grab it to the left.
That's brilliant.
Hold and groove, you'll be the greatest kisser in the West. Give a kiss with Lizzie taking over, dance with Lizzie in the whole damn room. But I sure like to go say do with Lizzie in the dance.
Here we go, last time.
Wave your hands and shout, yeehaw, with a kiss and grab it to the left. With Lizzie's hold and groove, you'll be the greatest kisser, the greatest kisser.